Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: by how much should 95 be decreased to get 24.821? So we have to find 95 minus what should be equal to 24.821. Therefore, the number in the box can be obtained by simply subtracting 24.821 from 95. Let's do the subtraction. 95.000 minus 24.821. Now this 0 minus 1 cannot be done, so 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. This is again 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. This is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Decimal point as it is. 9 minus 2 is 7. So what we get? 95 minus 70.179 equal to 24.821. So 70.179 is the answer. Answer is option B.